So guys, today we are working on this 2019 Honda CR-V. We checked the system and realized that the AC condenser is leaking. So right now we are removing the bumper so we can take out the condenser and repair it. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you will be notified every time we drop a new video.
Get it, boss.
So guys, this is the area that the condenser is leaking. So guys, this is the last pipe that we are pulling on the condenser.
Right.
Condenser out. Right now we are going to do some welding on the condenser here. So we finish weld the condenser. We are going to also replace the receiver dryer. Guys, this is how the receiver dryer look. Need to change. New receiver dryer. We're tightening up the pipes back on the condenser. Turn on back the grill now. we already pressurized the system and there is no more leak on it. So right now we are going to vacuum, then recharge. So I'm going to start the engine and turn on the AC. Regas in the system. We're still regassing the system. We also going to add some oil in the system. We finished recharge the system, guys. Right now I'm gonna feel inside. Yo, AC blowing coal. Another successful job from Kirk Stoulier Auto. Guys, remember to like and share this video, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a video. Until next time, guys, peace out.